This beast can dig, lift, and dominate the entire construction site. The JCB 4DX is built for serious power and heavy-duty performance. Designed with 4 equal-sized tires and advanced 4-wheel steering, this machine moves faster and works more efficiently than standard backhoe loaders. Its powerful engine and high-performance hydraulics make digging, lifting, and loading look effortless. The JCB 4DX can handle rough terrain, tight spaces, and the toughest construction jobs without slowing down. Inside, the modern cabin gives the operator maximum comfort and full control. From massive earth moving to difficult excavation work, the JCB 4DX is built to get the job done fast and right.
What if one machine could save fuel and still deliver unstoppable power? The JCB 3CX Eco is built to do exactly that. Designed for maximum efficiency, this backhoe loader uses advanced eco technology to reduce fuel consumption without sacrificing performance. Its powerful engine, smooth hydraulics, and strong digging force make it perfect for construction, road work, and heavy-duty jobs. The machine moves quickly, lifts with confidence, and handles tough ground with ease. Inside the cabin, the operator gets better comfort, visibility, and control for long working hours. The JCB 3CX Eco proves that you do not need more fuel to get more work done.
This machine looks compact, but it works like a giant on the construction site. The JCB Hydrodig 110W is a revolutionary wheeled excavator designed for speed, precision, and power. Its unique low center design gives better stability, making it safer and more efficient on rough terrain. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, the Hydrodig 110W can dig, lift, and move heavy material with incredible control. The wheeled setup allows it to travel quickly between job sites without needing a trailer. Inside, the spacious cabin gives the operator excellent visibility and comfort. The JCB Hydrodig 110W proves that smart design can deliver serious performance.
This compact machine can do the work of a much bigger excavator. The JCB 35Z-1 is a zero-tail swing mini excavator built for tight spaces and serious performance. Its compact design allows it to move easily through crowded construction sites without losing power. Equipped with a strong engine and responsive hydraulics, the 35Z-1 delivers smooth digging, fast lifting, and precise control on every job. The zero tail swing design makes it perfect for working close to walls, roads, and buildings. Strong tracks provide excellent stability, even on rough terrain. Inside the cabin, the operator gets great visibility and comfort. The JCB 35Z-1 is small, smart, and ready for hard work every day.
Do not let its small size fool you. This machine is built to work hard. The JCB 30 Plus is a compact excavator designed for power, precision, and flexibility. Its small body allows it to work easily in narrow streets, tight construction sites, and places where larger machines cannot reach. Even with its compact size, the JCB 30 Plus delivers strong digging performance, smooth hydraulics, and excellent lifting ability. The durable tracks provide stability on rough ground, while the modern controls make operations simple and accurate. Inside the cabin, the operator gets comfort and clear visibility. The JCB 30 Plus proves that small machines can do big jobs. One machine, massive power, and zero fear of the toughest jobs. The JCB JS205LC is a heavy-duty excavator built to take on the most demanding construction sites. Powered by a strong engine and advanced hydraulic system, it delivers fast digging, powerful lifting, and smooth performance in every situation. Its long crawler tracks provide excellent stability, even on rough and uneven ground. The reinforced boom and arm are designed for maximum strength, allowing the JS205LC to handle large loads with ease. Inside, the modern cabin offers outstanding comfort and visibility. The JCB JS205LC is built for operators who need serious performance every single day. Watch this machine turn impossible jobs into easy work in seconds.
The JCB 3DX Super is one of the most powerful and reliable construction machines on the job site. Built for digging, loading, lifting, and heavy-duty performance, this machine is designed to handle every challenge with ease. Its strong engine delivers impressive power, while the advanced hydraulic system gives faster and smoother operation. The spacious cabin keeps the operator comfortable and in full control throughout the day. From breaking hard ground to moving massive loads, the JCB 3DX Super proves why it is trusted on construction sites around the world every single day.